Hey guys, my name is Nathan Valmis, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial based on my Arduino project. This tutorial is going to be very quick, very simple. We're going to be going through the main steps on how to create the physical aspect of the Arduino kit. Today I'm going to be using a Tinkercad, as you can see on the screen. We're going to be using a simulated version of the Arduino kit, and through this I'm just going to be explaining to you the physical aspects of the components involved, and why these components are connected to one another, and how they're connected to one another. We're going to be quickly going through that. Then I'm going to be going through the coding involved and that's implemented for the program to work, and hopefully at the end of this tutorial you guys can understand and have a better understanding, I guess, on how this whole project works, and maybe you guys can gain some knowledge about each component used and how the audio or the visual effects come into play. So first of all, I guess I should be introducing my project to you guys. So my project is fairly straightforward. It's a parking assistant. I've called it the ParkingMate, as you would, and through this, we're going to have a ultrasonic distance sensor, and this sensor is able to detect the distance of an object. And through this, we've got here the buzzer, as you can see using my cursor. We've got the buzzer, and this buzzer is like a beeper on how a usual car works when in reverse, or when detecting if there's any objects around. So this can be used for putting it into your garage, and it's portable, completely portable device. So you're able to use this at any location, wherever you want. It could be a garage, parking space, wherever it's needed. This little guy down here, he is also another feature included within the project. It is our LCD display screen, and it will be displaying the distance between the object and the ultrasonic distance sensor. It will be displaying the measurements in centimeters and inches. So that's what we have today, components wise. So I guess now we can finally move on to the simulation of the project. So I'm going to play the simulation for you guys, and I'm going to show you how each feature is working with one another, and how they're all in sync, and how they're all making our final project come to life. So I'm going to show you now, play the simulation. And here, so we have the ultrasonic distance sensor, and this is our object, and this is the radius of the object. So as you can hear now, the buzzer down here, it is telling us that the object is far away, as a normal car would. As you can hear, the beat per second is very slow, very sluggish. Then as the object gets closer and closer to the ultrasonic distance sensor, you can hear the beats per second going faster, getting more rapid. It's more of an urgent call. As you can see, the object is closer to the ultrasonic distance sensor. Alright, so I had to put the website on mute so you guys could hear me a little bit better, because I think the beeping was a little bit too loud for you guys. So here, as you can see, we have the distance in 188 centimeters and the distance in 73 inches. You can also see it here. We've got it displayed over here as well, just for clarification. So now I'm going to be moving on to the code of the project. This is the entirety of the code. It's not much at all. Very simple, very straightforward. I've also implemented descriptions of each line of code so you guys can understand why that code is being utilized and how it all connects to one another. So we have the library import. We've got the trig pins, defining the trig pins. We have the variables. We have the setup. We have the loop. Now these are our three main blocks of code. We have our ultrasonic distance sensor, we then have our buzzer code, and then we also have our LCD display code. And within each code, I've also put a description to why that's being used there as well. So that is the code. Very simple, very straightforward. I want to make it easy for you guys, so you guys can pick it up very easily and get it like that. So I just want to show you the code real quick. Thank you guys so much for listening in to my tutorial. I want to make this tutorial raw for you guys so you guys can understand it and gain information off of it. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and listening to my video. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy my project. I hope you enjoyed the idea of it, and I appreciate you all. Thank you very much.